In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can link your broker directly to the Tradingview platform. So this will allow you to open and close trades directly from Tradingview. So from Tradingview, you want to look for the option that says Trading Panel. Then from the list, you're going to search for your broker. So from the list, I'm going to search for the broker of my choice. So it's IC Markets, so I'm going to select IC, then select Connect. It's going to take me to the IC Markets website for me to log in. So these are the accounts that will be accessed from Tradingview. So I'm going to select Sync to Tradingview. Now you can directly place trades using Tradingview. So I'm going to select OK here. Now from the drop down, you can switch between your different accounts. Now in order to make a trade, you select Trade. In order to place a trade, you can right click on the chart where you want to place a trade. And here you have the option to set. And here you have the option to set a sell stop or a buy limit of your chart. So let's say we selected a buy limit. Here you can adjust your lot size. Let's say by 0.5. You can enter your stop loss. So you're going to drag the stop loss icon, and then for the take profit, you're going to drag the take profit icon to where you want it on your chart. And that's basically it in a nutshell and how you can go about placing a trade using Tradingview when it's connected to your broker.